So I'm riding my bike on Takapuna Beach, which is on the north shore of Auckland in New Zealand. And this little baby and its sister, my Yeti, have opened up many parts of the world to me. And I am utterly grateful for what this has done for me, especially at the moment. As some of you know, I have not had a great time, and being able to draw on the things which I consider my strengths, my bravery and my gratitude, those things have actually been what have pulled me out of feeling utterly rubbish. And by being able to have the guts, I suppose, to book myself on a course here in New Zealand, instead of taking an easier option, I've made this possible, and I'm really bloody grateful for that. I'm glad I have the awareness to know how to pull myself out of something. And then of course my gratitude, like, wow, look at this. It's just amazing, and I'm so fortunate in so many ways. On my course I've met some really awesome people, and the course has only been running 3 days so far, and it's probably going to be more demanding than I realised, but demanding in the most positive of senses, in that I'm going to be digging a lot deeper into things that I kind of not had sussed, but things that I thought I really had my head around. And I suppose, yeah, the power of knowing what you don't know comes to mind here, because there's been lots more that I've learnt just in my 3 days. I have 3 more days after this weekend, and then a year in which to complete all of my assignments, and I'm so psyched. I'm like so excited. And I'm really grateful for the past few months and the journey that led me to the last few months, because I don't think I'd have this level of appreciation first and foremost of what I'm doing now, and I don't think that I would have stumbled upon this amazing course. The leader is phenomenal. She's lived up to everything I hoped she would be and more. And I met some really lovely people in the space of 3 days. So here's to identifying your strengths, to finding out what makes you tick and getting those things to work for you, not just in the good times, but in the times where you most sort of need them. Yeah, words of wisdom for the day. All words anyway. You can decide if they're wise or not. Look at this gorgeous pup. Beautiful pup.